Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.